right, welcome to the FMI Show. It's been a while since we put up a video, but we're back. All right, so a lot has happened since our last video. We're going to check out Bitcoin um, with the ETFs that came out. A lot's been going on. Plus, there's a couple NFT projects we want to check out. So let's get started. All right, so we got Bitcoin up here. So let's take a look. Right now, we've been trading in this channel right now. It's almost sideways. If you look at it on the weekly candles, we'll show you here on the weekly candles, it's almost completely sideways. The last time I seen it move like this was back when Bitcoin was at 17,000, when I was saying I'm pretty sure it was the bottom. It did go down to 15, but if you bought right then, you'd be looking pretty right now. But yeah, this is almost completely sideways action on the weekly candles. And then on the daily, right now we are kind of hugged up against the bottom part of this channel, and I do think we're going to get a bounce. The other indicators are cooling off, and that's one thing I was looking at earlier was before the ETF, we were already running hot. We had a pretty good run, so everyone I think was expecting a sort of a pullback or a sell-off with the ETF news, but I mean, we came all the way up to 49,000 on the day of when it was released. Some people, is that a sell the news event? I think a lot of people are still thinking that it will go down, and if you're new to this space, you pretty much want to do the opposite what everyone else is doing. So honestly, I don't think we're going to go too far down from this point. We got pretty good support around 40,000 and 38,000. So if we do break below this channel, those are two levels to watch for, but I do think we might see a bounce today because the other indicators are cooling off. All right, and if this is one of your first Bitcoin bull runs, this is something to keep in mind. Each time we have this bull runs, it's not uncommon that we will have 30% drawbacks within the bull run itself. And every time someone's going to be screaming, that's the top, we're coming down, that's the top, we're coming down. Keep in mind, the bull run usually doesn't actually get going to this parabolic stage until after the halvening, and that's going to be in April. So as of right now, we're still in the accumulation phase. At my point, I'm going to be still collecting Bitcoin till it hits 50,000, and then I think risk to reward is I'll be looking into more altcoins at that point. We did have 11 spot ETFs approved and are now on the stock exchange. And I know a lot of people, I guess, was expecting the moon right away, but you're going to have to give these institutional investors to contact their clients and kind of push it, sell it to them. A lot of these people, they're not familiar with Bitcoin. It's been, pushed down our throats that it's evil, it's bad, it's going to destroy everything, you're just going to lose money. That's not the case, but you're going to have to give them time to get their sales teams out there and start pushing it. And there's evidence that they're already starting. If you go to Fidelity's website, they got their Bitcoin fund listed on their website. And then if you go to BlackRock's, on their first page, they do have their ETF trust advertised right here, right on the first page. All right, so at the beginning of this bull run here, we had a little bit of a meme coin season. We've seen coins pop off on Solana and a couple other different networks. We did have SNEC pop off here on ADA, and taking a look at that, it looks like we're coming back down to a good level of support. Maybe this is one you want to, instead of buying that lottery ticket, go and throw a few dollars in on Cardano and get some SNEC. This is one I'm watching because it's not just a meme coin. They are working on things. And you also got to think about meme coins, when money starts coming in, it starts trickling down. And you're going to always get those group of people that goes, well, Bitcoin's already run, I'm not going to make any money. Ethereum has already ran, I'm not going to make any money. And then that's when these meme coins start coming in. People start going, hey, if that ever hits $1, big hopes, big dreams. These are ones like right now are the times to maybe look at some that you feel bullish on. And the reason why I like SNEC is it's not just a meme coin. They are doing their energy drink, which we actually got to try at Las Vegas NFT Con. So it was actually pretty good. I'm going to give my honest review. I think it needed a little more caffeine in it, but actually it's about the standard. I just drink a lot of caffeine myself. So No, it's a great product. I think they're doing a great job in promoting and everything. So this is a coin that I would definitely look into if you're into meme coins. All right, let's switch over to some NFTs. Working Dead is a cross-chain project. They do have some NFTs on Cardano. We can go and kind of look at the NFTs themselves. As of right now, the floor price is at 85 ADA. Yeah, I have a couple for myself, and they do have, different styles, different outfits and uniforms. So let's actually go into their website and kind of show you what they've been working on real quick. All right, so now we're at their courses site, and this is set up to be a learn to earn. There's different missions you can do, complete a lesson, become an instructor. There's different things that you can do to earn a little bit on the rewards, and we do have a vault that you can um, lock up some work to receive rewards. So a couple different features in that aspect, but let's check out their courses. So the way this works is you'll pay. This one here is free, how to swap for work. Take the lesson, you'll get that course done. But other ones we do have where you'll pay 250, and there's different sections here: development, art, design, finance, Cardano, marketing, Ethereum. So because they're reaching out further than just the Cardano space, they will have different things: technical analysis, languages. So different options for different courses that you can do. And then the instructors that can post this, you can become an instructor, post your own content, and you'll be able to earn some of that too. So that is definitely something to check out. I like what they're doing here. I like what I'm seeing so far. There's different levels too. You'll see beginners, so different topics, different things. If you're new to the space or if you've been here a little bit, I think this is one to take a look at. And they do have some free lessons on their site that kind of just teach you, how to deposit it, how to buy, etc. Earn and track your rewards. So there are some free ones you can do, and that's going to complete some of that daily tasks for you. So yeah, definitely go and check that out. I find them really interesting and pretty good community. All right, so the next NFT project we're going to bring up is Eggscape Club. This is one project I've been in for a while. I'm actually proud to use them as my PFP on the MIX account. So let's kind of go into what they've done this past year and kind of their future plans. But right now, we look at their floor price is going around 65, 69 ADA. Got a few at 69 ADA, but there's not many up here before we start shooting up in, the 100 ADA. So there's a few right now that's kind of low floor. If you want to pick some up, and you might want to after you kind of see what I'm going to show you here. All right, let's go over just a couple of things that they accomplished over the bear market of 2023. They distributed 24,000 ADA to their holders, and you didn't have to do anything extra. Just all you had to do is just have it in your wallet. They were paying out quarterly as they would get the rewards. They always announce things in their Discord, the egg holders announcement channel in there. They always keep it updated. They've been really good about not keeping any holders in the dark, always telling their future plans. And that's really big because definitely during the bear market, a lot of projects just got quiet. It's like, we'll be back. Not these guys, they kept going. You were able to stake your eggs and get rewards from Cardano Lands, the Ape Society, Cardano Croc Club, Punks, and you were able to get their token through Lit Stake Pool, and you were able to use that and then end up going back into their Discord and use it to enter some raffles. It got some pretty cool NFTs. I just won one the other day from Ghost Chain, so that was pretty cool. So, and they'll put out different trades, different things that they're doing outside, not financial advice, but just kind of helping people out. The community is really helpful. If you have any questions, everyone kind of steps up. It's, everyone has an opportunity at the mic there, kind of is what it seems like. And this is something that I really do enjoy about this project. And I wish more and more people would, give them an opportunity to check them out because they've been around a while and they're still here working hard. Right, so when you expect some of the rewards from this project, they're real world businesses. They're going to be, looks like Q3 of 2024 is what they're expecting, and they're going to be building the business of the funds raised, and then profit distribution from the Web3 investments, which what they've been doing already. That's where the 20,000 ADA came from. You can still expect that in Q1 and Q2 of 2024. And for an example here, this right here is going to be their egg secret. This is going to be for their way to kind of guarantee that whitelist. And if you hold an egg, that's going to give you one of those whitelists too. Remember, you got to hold at least 5, it looks like, to get more of a guaranteed on that. Everything else is going to be on a first come, first serve basis. All right, so it's good to be back. Thanks for everyone that was reaching out while I wasn't putting out content. We just had some unforeseen circumstances come up and wasn't able to put anything out for a while. It's not that we disappeared during the bear market. We didn't get leverage called or anything. just some unforeseen circumstances. But we're back now, and hey, if you'd like to see a project featured on this channel, put a comment down below, and remember, like and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time.
Make all the demons quiet. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.